to Colorado's best.
Waxing is a very popular but painful way to remove unwanted hair, and now for the first time ever there's a way to get that smooth skin without the pain.
Yes, at Bald Denver they have a physician anesthesiologist on hand to administer laughing gas as you're getting waxed. I think this is brilliant, and you can get it all for a reasonable price, especially if you take advantage of their special offer today. Joining us to explain how painless waxing with laughing gas works, we have Dr. Fallon Mouton. You're the owner of Bald Denver. Tell us a little bit about laughing gas, nitrous oxide. What is it exactly? How is it working?
Well, nitrous oxide is one of America's oldest drugs. It was first synthesized around 1770.
Wow.
And it's stood the test of time. We still use it today because it's an excellent pain reliever. It relieves anxiety, and has a very quick onset and quick offset. So you can breathe it in, get the relief, and then breathe it off and be back to normal pretty quickly.
Yeah, let's look at how it's administered while you're getting waxed. Just kind of walk us through this.
So here we have Riley. He's one of the CrossFit coaches at CrossFit Omnia, and he's getting his back waxed. And as you can see in the bottom corner, he's breathing in nitrous oxide from a spout. He's able to give it to himself when he needs it and put it down when he doesn't. And it provides just enough pain relief to get you through waxing.
Yeah, I was going to ask how effective is laughing gas at really reducing that pain of waxing?
I like to say, I like to compare it to an eyebrow wax. So most people know kind of what it's like to get your eyebrows threaded. If you were to take nitrous oxide, the eyebrow threading would be painless. And let's say a Brazilian would feel like an eyebrow threading, like it really dramatically reduces the degree of pain to one that's bearable. On a scale of 0 to 10, most of our clients say that the pain of a Brazilian is a 2 to 3 out of 10, and the other areas are zeros.
Wow, wow, that's great. So are there any potential side effects?
The thing that nitrous oxide is known most for is nausea and vomiting, but because we only have a 50% concentration of nitrous and oxygen, that risk is really low. And also because we don't use the other narcotics and anesthetic agents that are known for nausea and vomiting. That's the one thing that could happen, and I haven't seen it at all.
So who would you say are the best candidates for this kind of painless waxing?
The best candidates, I like to say, are people who have always wanted to try getting waxed, but were too afraid of it because of the pain, or those that got waxed once and thought it was so horrible they never came back.
Right.
But also those people that like grind their teeth through getting waxed every 6 weeks or so. This is an excellent resource for people who don't like pain but like very smooth skin.
Yeah. So who is not a good candidate for this?
Who's not a good candidate? We don't recommend it for people who are immunosuppressed, who have major heart or lung problems that aren't well managed, for diabetics, and we won't do it on pregnant women because it is a medical procedure, and we don't want to expose them to any gases.
Certainly. Well, besides the laughing gas aspect, why should people choose Bald for their next waxing?
Well, Bald is a medical spa that provides a discreet hair removal service. We have transparent pricing, which means that the price you see online is the actual price. It's the same for men and for women, for big and for small, for hairy and for not hairy. It includes a tip. We don't accept tips. So it's easy to see how much you're going to be paying. Also, we apply the best practices of waxing and sanitation, which includes a no redipping policy with our six. And yeah, the laughing gas is a big plus. It doesn't hurt when you come to us.
That's a really big plus.
Yeah, for sure. And why choose waxing methods over other ways of removing hair?
That's an excellent question. Waxing also exfoliates the skin, so it's able to make the skin smoother than shaving ever does. Also, because wax takes the hair out of the follicle, it removes odor. So there's actually data from JAMA, the Journal of American Medical Association, that says that when you wax, your underarm odor is less than when you shave, which is even less than when
that's really interesting.
when you wash. So waxing, it makes your skin smoother. It makes you smell a little better. and there's also less of a risk of infection with waxing than there is with shaving.
Wow, just learning so much.
Yeah.
And this time of year, I mean, you said, people come in generally 4 to 6 weeks. The holidays are perfect to do this for yourself, right?
Correct. Yeah, the holidays are a great time to start taking care of yourself and to get spas medical spa stuff done. But also, it makes for a great gift to other people. To give them the gift of smooth skin and their first waxes.
Yeah, gift for yourself,
Right.
gift for those you love.
Right.
Thank you so much, Dr.
Thank
Mouton.
you.
So
Thank
nice
you.
to meet you. And Dr. Mouton has a special offer for Colorado's best viewers, free anesthesia for your first wax in November. That is a $78 value. So call right now, 720-767-0770, and take advantage of this very special offer. You can also find more information at balddenver.com, and you can also email Dr. Mouton. Her address is bald@balddenver.com.